Bro, this is such a weird fucking position to record a video. Fuck yeah. Should I? क्या मैं ये पहनूं for the entirety? 2 बज रहे हैं. I can't articulate my words correctly. ठीक है. Don't blame me. क्या मैं ये hat? What do you call this shit? My sister, she went to Vietnam and she bought this. Should I wear this? Chat, should I wear this? Yeah, I'm wearing this. I'll wear this the whole entire video. Yeah. So anyway, fuck. Just before I start the video, just a little bit of life update. I recently went to Thailand with my family for like 8-9 days, right? And I ended up blowing all of my money. ठीक है, जितने भी पैसे थे मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में, ठीक है, 3.5 लाख मेरे पास थे that I saved up for myself. I was like, dude, I'm going to invest this into the stock market. I'm going to like get at least 20% returns right this year. हाँ I thought like मुझे लगा था कि मैं अपने इन पैसों से, this is very annoying, मुझे लगा था मैं अपने इन पैसों से ये सब करूँगा, but I ended up spending it all. But I spent it on my family, so yeah, it doesn't matter, right? I made some good memories, ठीक है? So right now I'm broke. I'm not making any. I'm making money, but the money is not that good. But trust me, guys, trust me. 3 महीने रुक जाओ. I'll be back to my prime again. I'll be making, जैसे कि देख, my old prime was that I was making 2 lakhs a month. 3-4 महीने रुक जाओ. I'll be making like 10 lakhs a month, and I know it, right? I can say that with conviction. Anyway, let's get into the main topic of this video because you guys really don't give a shit about what I say. So you guys want to improve your social skills. What I can guess is that you guys are currently struggling with talking to people. You guys want to talk to people. ठीक है, तुम किसी बंदे बंदी जिसको भी देखते हो, you think that I want to talk to that person, but you know अंदर से it's like you start overthinking and your heart says, bro, don't talk to that person, right? You start to get some kind of anxiety, right? वो सब होने लगता है, and you just don't end up talking to that person, and what happens is that तुम्हारा जो सेल्फ इमेज होती है वो थोड़ी गिर जाती है, because you're like, भाई मैं उस बंदे से या उस बंदी से बात कर सकता था, but I didn't. Am I a pussy? Yeah, so this starts to happen, and I can also guess that you don't like silences. You know, a lot of people want. Let me just get my water. Good job, Andrew. What was I saying? Yeah, I can also guess that you don't like silences, right? You don't like कि तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो और एक awkward सा silence नहीं आता, बहुत awkward सा, and you like, और उस point of time पे you like, bro, should I say something, should I not say something? Like I can just guess that you're that type of person. If you're not that type of person, if you don't struggle with your social relationships, if you don't struggle with talking to people, why the fuck are you even listening to me? Like, I know I'm very attractive, right? And if you want to do something with me, you can just hit me up on my Instagram. Just search rn.mudgal, right? With I think 2-3 L's. I mean, you'll just find me. I'm pretty famous, okay? So, yeah. So most of you're watching this video because of these reasons, right? You are either struggling with your social skills or you either find me attractive, and I'm good with both of these reasons, okay? So, yeah, the thing is, I used to struggle with these things too, right? Right now I'm 17. I turned 17 5 days ago, and 2 years back I was a very introverted type of guy. Like I wasn't introverted, ठीक है, मैं introverted कभी नहीं था, but I used to struggle with talking to people. Like I was confident, but I was showing that fake type of confidence, right? वो जो दिख जाता है ना कि यार this guy is insecure and he is trying to fake his confidence, and this type of energy now nobody likes it. Nobody, absolutely nobody likes this type of energy where you are insecure, right? but you're trying to hide this insecurity using some fake confidence. So I was that type of guy like 2 years ago. Okay? And the thing is, जो भी मैंने तुम लोगों को struggles बताए थे in the starting of this video, I used to struggle with those things too, right? So I believe I am pretty eligible to give you guys advice. So the thing is, I can give you guys all that generic advice that is, क्या होती है generic advice? Yeah, listen to people genuinely, have interest in what they are saying, right? और क्या था? क्या होता है? Smile, ask questions about their life, right? What's your favorite color? What's your music taste like? Ask these boring ass fucking questions, right? So that you can put them in a fucking, क्या बोलते हैं? मेरे दिमाग में वो वर्ड नहीं आ रहा. Okay, never mind. Yeah, you can listen to all that generic advice, right? कि अपना posture ठीक रखो, ठीक है? अपना posture ठीक रखो. You can listen to all that generic advice. But the thing is that advice वो ना होती है for that for that guy who wants that fake confidence. And the thing is, I had that fake confidence and it just never worked out for me. Never. I was never happy with myself. I was never socially happy. You know, there are many types of happiness. For me, there are 3 types of happiness, right? मैं तुम लोगों को बताता हूँ. First is financial happiness, the amount of money I'm making, right? Just if I'm making like 8 lakhs a month, I would be very happy as compared to me making 2 lakhs a month. ठीक है? Second is health, right? For me, as of right now, I derive happiness from running. मैं जितना भागता हूँ, I get happier. If I run 10 kilometers, I would be more happier than the version of me who runs 5 kilometers. Okay, this is the second type of happiness. And third type of happiness is that social happiness, right? And I never had that social happiness. Do you know why? Because I was always insecure. I used to listen to this advice of genuinely listening to people, right? Eye contact. I mean, eye contact is pretty important, but the thing is, ये सब fake है भाई. Everything is fake. Smiling, doing that fake kind of smile, listening to people, being a good listener, being the therapist. I used to do all of that shit. I was never happy. Because the thing is, ये सब बाहर से है. सब कुछ बाहर से है. The actual shit comes from inside. अंदर से आती है भाई वो. That social happiness, that confidence, right? When you walk into a room, right? Very cringe example. If you walk into a room and people look at you, right? And they look at you and they say like, this guy has confidence. वो वाला confidence तुम fake नहीं कर सकते. You can't fake that confidence by being loud. You can't fake that confidence by being nonchalant, ऐसे being slow and shit. ऐसे like तुम धीरे चल रहे हो and shit. You can't fake it. Genuinely, you can't fake it. So how do you get that kind of confidence where people look at you and they respect you? Or even if they don't respect you, they just get that vibe from you, bhai, ki haan yaar, this guy is kind of confident. And the thing is, you get that confidence from being content with yourself. And the thing is, for the past few months, right, I have been working on this. I've been trying to be content with myself. I've been trying to be satisfied with myself. And it's been pretty good. Yeah, it's been working pretty well, honestly. I'm not that type of guy anymore जो भाई बाहर से fake confidence दिखाता था. I am now confident in myself. You know जब मैं ऐसे 10th 9th में लड़कियों को text करता था, I used to get like really affected when I would be left undelivered or unseen, right? But now अगर मेरे साथ कभी ऐसा होता है, I don't get affected at all. I just don't give a shit. I have like 5 other chicks in my inbox, bhai. I don't give a shit if Anvi from DPS, कौन सा DPS? DPS RK Puram leaves me on red. I just don't care. So what I'm trying to say is that if you want to build genuine confidence, भाई you need, or not भाई बहन जो भी तुम हो भाई, ठीक है, I'll just say भाई because it just feels more normal to me. You need to get that self satisfaction from within, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. And the thing is, once you get that self satisfaction, you can just record a fucking 20-minute YouTube video. I know this video is going to extend for 20 minutes. I know how big of a yapper I am. So you can just create a like 20-minute YouTube video where you're acting like a fucking dumbass. ठीक है? कितना टाइम से बॉक्सिंग नहीं कर यार? अपर कैसे करते थे? छोड़ो. Now, yeah, the thing is, I'm acting like a dumbass, but I genuinely don't care if people look at me and they think that this is cringe, because I have found satisfaction from within. And the thing is, अगर ऐसा कोई बोलता है ना यार, it just seems so weird कि what the fuck does this guy mean कि I have found satisfaction from within. But the thing is, once you find that inner satisfaction, you build that inner confidence, you don't have to fake it anymore. You can go talk to people, right, without feeling that kind of thing, without having that kind of anxiety. ठीक है? You know, I used to like really struggle with talking to women, bhai, that were genuinely very good looking. ठीक है? I used to see some chick who was very good looking. I would be like, bro, fuck, I want to talk to her. ठीक है? I want to get her Instagram. But I would just pussy out and I would be like, nahi, chodo, bro, she's out of your league. By the way, this out of the league shit is out of your league shit is a propaganda. Don't listen to it like ever. Okay? But I used to cope and I used to pussy out and I used to be like, no, usko mat approach kar. And the thing is, it's because I never had that kind of confidence from within. And the thing is, ab mere paas wo confidence hai. I can approach these type of chicks and without feeling, and even if that chick rejects me, right? Ew, you're such a creep, and she pepper sprays me on my fucking face, I won't get affected. I mean, हाँ, कुछ थोड़ी देर तक तो सारा आँखों में दर्द होगा, but I won't really get affected that much. मैं 5 मिनट बाद भूल जाऊँगा. अच्छा, 5 मिनट बाद is an exaggeration. 5 घंटे बाद मैं भूल जाऊँगा. थोड़ी देर मैं रोऊँगा कि somebody pepper sprayed me, but 5 घंटे बाद मैं भूल जाऊँगा. So the thing is, how do you build this kind of self-confidence? How do you get satisfaction from within? And the thing is, the best way I have found to do that is just, कैसे मैं बहुत unsexy लगेगा, but you know, sometimes you say that you're going to do something, but you don't do it. तुम्हें लगता है कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैंने वो नहीं करा. But the thing is, it takes a big damage on your self-image, and तुम्हारी सेल्फ इमेज बन जाती है कि यू आर नॉट ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ, यू आर अ लायर टू योर सेल्फ, यू लाई टू योर सेल्फ. तो अगर मैंने खुद को बोला कि ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मैसेज हर अगेन, एंड आई स्टिल एंड अप मैसेजिंग हर लाइक 3 days later, दैट जस्ट सिग्नल्स टू माई सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी, टू माई ब्रेन कि यार ये बंदा ना ट्रस्टेबल नहीं है, ठीक है, तो छोड़ो, क्या ही हो रहा है, राइट? सो तुम्हारे अंदर का जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, इट गेट्स टोटली फक्ड अप. तुम्हें वो सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिल पाता बिकॉज तुमने जो खुद के लिए गोल सेट किया था, तुमने जो खुद के लिए एक बाउंड्री सेट करी थी, यू आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग दैट, एंड देयरफॉर यू आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग योरसेल्फ. सो इफ यू आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग योरसेल्फ, हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट अदर पीपल टू रिस्पेक्ट यू? You know, people say all this basic shit that just hit the gym and people will respect you. Like, no, people don't. The thing is, I always used to, like, I was a big gym rat, okay? And you can see that from my fucking biceps, right? I don't hit the gym now. All I do is I run, okay? I run. But I used to hit the gym because I was insecure कि भाई, अगर मेरे biceps बड़े नहीं होंगे, if I don't look good, right? If I don't have like big ass shoulders, people would be like कि अरे भाई इस बंदे को तो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए या ऐसा कुछ. Like I had this weird fucking perception, which is absolutely false. ठीक है, which is absolutely false. So what you need to do is that you need to respect your word and you need to start respecting yourself. You need to set small goals for yourself. ठीक है, I'm going to do this today, right? And you actually got to do that. इससे तेरे दिमाग को सिग्नल मिलेगा that okay, this guy is trying to be trustable, and within like 2-3 weeks you're going to see a difference, and your brain is going to be healthier, and it's going to be like कि हाँ यार ये बंदा, this guy is true to his word. That's the first thing that you got to do to build that self-confidence. The second thing that you got to do to build that self-confidence is doing hard shit. And I learned it from David Goggins. देख मुझे वो बंदा थोड़ा cringe लगता है because he's like carry the boats or some weird shit like that. But that guy genuinely gives good advice. You know, if you do shit that is hard, if you do shit that is hard, what's going to happen is that you're going to I'm not able to articulate it, but if you do shit that's hard, you are start going to like तू खुद को क्यों नहीं रिस्पेक्ट करेगा? You know, if you run 10 kilometers, which is very hard, right? Which is very hard, but you still end up running 10 kilometers. You're going to start respecting yourself. You're going to be like, yaar, I just ran 10 kilometers. I achieved this weird fucking thing, right? I achieved this thing that a lot of people can't achieve. So what it does is, जो कमीना साला एयरपोर्ट की माँ की चूत साला टिम कुक कमीना, मुझे वापस बेड पे चढ़ना पड़ेगा यार. This is such a weird spot to record a video, and my legs hurt because of running so much. I ran like 7 kilometers this morning, और अभी इस वीडियो को रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले I ran I think 8 kilometers. तो मैं 15 किलोमीटर भागा हूँ चूतियों की तरह. But you know, if you do hard shit, you know, your brain is like कि भाई मत करिए, and you still end up doing that shit, and you prove your brain wrong in a good way. You're going to build that confidence, yaar. Let me tell you one thing, yaar. One thing. When I achieved like my fucking goal of earning like $1,000 a month online, that confidence that I got, हाँ मुझे स्टार्टिंग में प्लेजर मिला कि यार आई अचीव माई गोल, बट प्लेजर वॉज नॉट द मेन थिंग. वो डोपामाइन हिट भाई आधे घंटे बाद चला गया था, ठीक है, वो आधे घंटे बाद चला गया था. What I got from achieving that goal was that confidence, and that confidence is still with me because I set out a goal, a very hard goal that people didn't believe me. लोग नहीं believe कर रहे थे मुझ पे when I was saying that I'll be earning like 1 lakh a month at the age of 16. People were not believing me. I proved all of them wrong. I even proved myself wrong because I didn't believe in myself that much. I was like, पता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगा या मैं ना कर पाऊंगा. I proved myself wrong. I achieved that goal of $1,000 a month, and then I surpassed my limits and I started making 2 lakhs a month. That confidence, dude, when you do something that is genuinely hard, when you put your mind to something and you actually achieve it, उससे जो तेरे को confidence मिलेगा ना, that you can't fake it. You genuinely can't fake it. So I have told you 2 ways. Doing things that you promise yourself to do. ठीक है, अगर तू बोलता है कि मैं ये करूँगा और तू उस चीज़ को करता है, then your brain is going to trust itself. ये पहली चीज़ है. And the second thing is that what was the second thing? Yeah, second thing is doing extremely hard shit. And now is the third thing, which is getting over your fucking insecurities. जो एक अलग ही वीडियो होगा भाई, because getting over your insecurities, I think मैंने भी ये चीज़ नहीं करी है fully. I'm still kind of insecure about a lot of things. Genuinely, I'm still insecure about a lot of things. But I have worked on my insecurities a lot, and जिन चीज़ों में पहले insecure होता था, मैं अब उन चीज़ों में अब insecure नहीं होता, which is very good. Yeah, it's very good, and I'm proud of myself for that shit. So I'll create another video for it on how to stop being insecure, but just simply working on your insecurities. And the thing is, मैं तेरे को थोड़ा सा brief चीज़, मैं तेरे को थोड़ा सा वो देता हूँ briefing, right? Yeah, थोड़ा सा introduction देता हूँ for the next video which I'm going to make about how to overcome your insecurities. Just use ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT I've been using it for the past 6 months, and I have gotten over so many of my like insecurities. Just yeah, That's what you do. That's what I did, at least. So these are the 3 ways that you can actually apply to build confidence and talk to people, right? And the thing is, once you get that inner confidence now, you won't give a shit if samne wala banda likes you or that person doesn't like you, because at the end of the day it doesn't matter. ठीक है, कुछ मैटर नहीं करता यार, सब छोड़ के चले जाएंगे, सब मर जाएंगे. At the end of the day, the only thing that you have is not money, not bitches, not even your extremely shredded physique or your extremely handsome face. At the end of the day, the only thing that you have are your achievements, right? I achieved this goal of 1K per month, and then I achieved 2 lakhs per month. You know, I have that in my identity. Like, that's my achievement, one of my biggest achievements ever, right? I put my brain to it, my mind to it. I worked on it for 2 years, and I actually achieved it. So अगर मैं अभी, if you strip me of everything I have, right, all the money, I mean, अब तो पैसा है ही नहीं बहनचोद, but everything that I have, all my friends, all my relationships, everything, I'll still be pretty content with myself because I achieved that goal, right? Even, no, like, I want to achieve more goals, but still I'm content with myself right now, which is pretty good. Yeah, so that's basically it. Just build that inner confidence, dude. कुछ मैटर नहीं करता, लोग तेरे को पसंद करे, लोग तेरे को पसंद ना करे. I get so many hate comments in each and every video. I genuinely don't give a fuck. I don't care because I know I have achieved the shit I said I would achieve. So let's end this video. Where is that weird hat? You know, why my legs hurt so much. I'll see you guys probably next month जब भी मैं वीडियो पोस्ट करूँगा, if I'm alive, ठीक है, if I am alive, ठीक है, bye. I love you guys, genuinely I love you guys. Oh fuck. अच्छा नहीं बंद हुआ है बहन चूत.